Louis, what are you doing? Hanging out on your PlayStation. We got a new toy on there. Look at that. It's a new toy behind you. Yeah. That's from Maria, Paco, and Slinky. Yeah. They sent that to you for Christmas. Isn't that sweet? They also sent you some snacks. Look at that. Some mixed nuts and cherry treats and tropical mix. You're going to have some fun snacking on those, aren't you? Yeah. You want to look at them? Ooh, what's that? Thank you for the gifts. It was a nice surprise. She's just like, well, let me see here. Which one do I want? Let me try again. You looking for the cherries? No, me. Here, should we put some of those over here? There you go. Ooh, numb. She's like, yes, Mama. Thank you so much for thinking of us. We also got some doggy treats, and we'll do a video with the doggies. Yes, we will. It was very kind of Maria, Paco, and Slinky to all think of you guys. Thank you. Yes.